Number 1. 1930 Ford Aristocrat Cargo, price, $37,000, located in Pueblo, Colorado. This 1930 Ford Aristocrat Cargo Coupe presents a unique and carefully maintained build that blends classic styling with modern dependability. Driven approximately 1,000 miles, it features an automatic transmission and is reported to be in excellent condition with many new parts installed. Its bold black exterior and clean presentation make it stand out. The Aristocrat Cargo configuration provides a more unusual profile than typical Ford coupes of the era, giving it rare appeal. The seller states the car is in perfect running condition and ready for test drives. Located in La Junta, Colorado, this Ford offers a refreshed, reliable classic suited for collectors wanting a distinctive pre-war build. Number 2. 1933 Pontiac, price, $42,000, located in Penrose, Colorado. This 1933 Pontiac is a stylish and well-maintained street rod. Driven 15,600 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, it features a clean title and no reported issues. Finished in turquoise with a tan interior, the car offers a bright show-ready presence. Only 2 owners since new. The seller is open to trades. Its combination of classic sheet metal charm and modern drivability make it ideal for shows or cruising. Number 3. 1931 Model A Ford, price, $28,500, located in Pueblo, Colorado. This 1931 Model A Ford is an exceptionally well-built, mechanically upgraded classic. Powered by a 454 Chevy engine with a 700 R4 transmission, it delivers performance far beyond original Model A capability. Custom frame, Pete and Jake's front suspension, QA1 rear coilovers, uni-steer rack, and a Holly Street Avenger carburetor complete the setup. Despite the upgrades, it maintains its iconic Model A appearance. A strong choice for enthusiasts seeking power, drivability, and classic style. Number 4. 1930 Ford Chopped Coupe on Deuce Rails, price, $12,000, located in Riverside, California. This 1930 Ford Chopped Coupe is a project on 1932 Ford rails. It is chopped about 4 in and includes a 350 SBC with turbo 350 transmission. It does not currently run and requires completion. A Ford 8 inches rear end is included but not installed, ideal for builders wanting an authentic early-style hot rod project. Number 5. 1934 Ford The August 5th Sedan Delivery, price, $37,000. Location, Newark, Ohio. This rare all-steel 1934 Ford the 5th 8 Sedan Delivery combines timeless Ford styling with reliable modern performance. With 60,000 miles, it remains well cared for and mechanically dependable. Finished in bold orange, the car carries strong street presence and classic proportions. Power comes from a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The Mustang front end improves steering and ride quality, making it suitable for both shows and regular cruising. The sedan delivery body style adds further desirability among collectors. The seller is also open to certain trades, including wrecker or rollback trucks. Number 6. 1934 Dodge Coupe, price, $49,900. Location, Winchester, Ohio. This all-steel 1934 Dodge Coupe is a premium, well-built classic showcasing quality craftsmanship throughout. Powered by a 350 Chevy crate engine with a turbo automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and smooth driving. Equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes, it delivers modern handling and road safety. The polished stainless fuel tank and mufflers complement the clean, show-quality undercarriage. Inside, custom upholstery, an overhead console with Kenwood stereo, matching trunk panels, door locks, and seat belts create a refined cabin. Billet Specialties wheels with new BFG radials complete its stance. IT has passed the NSRA 23-point safety inspection and will appear at the NSRA Nationals in Louisville. Number 7. 1937 Chevrolet Coupe, price, $29,500. Location, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Coupe presents a clean, well-maintained classic capturing the charm of late 1930s hot rod styling. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for both cruising and daily enjoyment. Power steering ensures smooth maneuvering, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. The vehicle is rated as used good, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. A great entry-level classic for enthusiasts wanting reliability and vintage appeal. Number 8. 1934 Ford Truck. Price, $26,500. Location, Cynthiana, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford truck is a classic old-school hot rod with strong traditional appeal. Finished in vibrant red with a white interior, it has unmistakable vintage character. Power comes from a 49 to 53 8BA flathead engine, paired with a 1939 Ford 3-speed toploader manual transmission for an authentic period-correct feel. A dropped front axle gives it classic hot rod stance, while the 8-inch Ford rear end with 2.79 gears ensures stable cruising. Drum brakes at all corners maintain its traditional mechanical setup. Recent upgrades include new brake pads and shocks. The seller is open to trades but not project vehicles. Number 9. 1934 Ford 3-window custom street rod. Price, $64,500. Located in Hope, Indiana, this custom 1934 Ford 3-window street rod stands as a true high-end build crafted with exceptional attention to detail. Designed for both show-quality presentation and powerful performance, it represents one of the finest examples of a professionally constructed street rod in today's market. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine built by Warrior Racing Engines, featuring dual quad carburetors, a roller cam, aluminum heads, and MSD ignition. The engine produces an impressive 453 horsepower on the dyno, with only 200 miles since the build. The powertrain is paired to a 700R automatic transmission and supported by premium components including a Walker radiator, Heights polished tubular front suspension, Flaming River power rack and pinion steering, polished stainless brake lines, and Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Comfort and convenience are equally emphasized. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning that blows ice cold, along with a modern keyless entry system. Inside, the interior was professionally designed and executed by cutters. It features BMW leather, alligator skin inserts, wise guy seating, and German square weave carpeting, all finished with custom stitching to create a refined, show-ready cabin environment. With only 1,783 actual miles, this award-winning Ford has earned multiple honors, including the prestigious Gugge's DuPont Hot Hues Best Use of Color Award. Originally commissioned by a discerning collector, this offering marks the first time the vehicle has ever been made available for public sale. Virtual viewing and shipping coordination are offered for serious buyers. Located in Hope, Indiana, this 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking unmatched craftsmanship, premium components, and top-tier show quality. Number 10. 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe, Chrome, $36,500, Chelmsford, Massachusetts. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe is a standout classic that blends old-school craftsmanship with modern performance upgrades, resulting in a highly capable street machine with show-quality appeal. Driven just over 11,000 miles, it remains in strong running condition, supported by an automatic transmission and a well-balanced mechanical setup, finished in a striking green exterior with a clean black interior. This coupe delivers the right mix of vintage attitude and updated comfort. One of its most notable features is the inclusion of a custom trailer, making it ideal for owners who enjoy attending car shows or long-distance events. The car rides on an independent front suspension paired with a 1965 Corvette rear end, giving it impressive road manners compared to many traditional hot rods. Power comes from a new 383 Blueprint motor with only 600 miles on it, equipped with new dual sniper fuel injection for smooth throttle response and increased efficiency. Additional upgrades include new vintage air with heat, ensuring comfort in varying weather conditions. Originally built in 1978, the car carries decades of history while benefiting from continuous updates. The steel body and glass fenders provide both authenticity and durability. The seller notes that the driving lights do not go with the car overall. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe represents a well-upgraded, well-maintained classic that is fully ready for cruising, showing, and long-term enjoyment. Number 11. 1932 Ford Roadster, $50,000, Hingham, Massachusetts. This 1932 Ford Roadster is a beautifully maintained and well-built example of a Brookville steel body hot rod, offering classic aesthetics paired with strong modern performance. Driven only 8,000 miles, the car presents in very good condition with a clean title and no significant mechanical issues or damage. The exterior is finished in a bold blue that perfectly complements its iconic roadster styling, while the gray interior provides a refined and comfortable driving environment. Power is supplied by a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver full control over its lively and responsive performance. A Ford 9-inch rear end supports the drivetrain with dependable strength, making the car both reliable and enjoyable for long cruises or weekend events. The Roadster also includes a rod-tops roof with zip-in side windows, offering flexibility for open-air driving or enclosed protection as needed. According to the seller, the car runs and drives great but simply isn't being used enough, prompting the sale. Trades may be considered, though boats and motorcycles are specifically excluded. This 1932 Ford Roadster strikes an ideal balance between heritage styling, modern drivability, and steel body authenticity. It is highly appealing to collectors, hot rod enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a classic that's ready to enjoy immediately. Its combination of performance parts and timeless design ensures long-term value and pride of ownership. Number 12, 1947, Ford Street Rod. Price, $33,500. Located in Eminence, Kentucky, this 1947 Ford Street Rod is a beautifully assembled custom convertible featuring a Carson-style top and a carefully selected combination of performance upgrades. Built with attention to detail, this Ford stands out as a well-balanced hot rod designed for both stylish cruising and reliable operation. Powered by a 406 small-block engine, it offers strong acceleration and a distinctive exhaust note. Paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, the drivetrain delivers smooth shifting and comfortable driving for both short trips and extended rides. The exterior features classic late 1940s Ford lines enhanced by custom touches, including Frenched antennas, new chrome bumpers, a chrome Cadillac grille, and a fully chromed engine bay. A Mustang front end and chrome Jaguar rear end offer improved suspension geometry, giving the car modern handling characteristics while maintaining vintage appeal. The vehicle's aluminum fuel tank with filler necks on both sides adds practical convenience. Inside, the custom interior offers comfort and style, including high-quality upholstery and a thoughtful layout. Air conditioning enhances usability in warmer climates, while the convertible top adds seasonal versatility. The seller emphasizes that the car is built correctly, suggesting strong craftsmanship and careful mechanical execution. Although originally listed in Frankfurt, the car is actually located in Eminence, Kentucky. The seller encourages calls only, no texts, and provides specific contact times out of respect for schedules. Overall, this 1947 Ford Street Rod is a well-built, visually striking, and mechanically sound classic ready for enjoyment and admiration.